guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be bringing you this video. It's going to be super helpful and formal. I'm going to take you through how I made my vanity and how you can make your own. But before we even get started, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. You already know what to do. I'm Necole Jackson and I focus on style with a mixture of beauty, hair, and lifestyle. So if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you will know exactly when I post. Also, make sure you like and comment this video. I want to know if you will make your own vanities. If you have just ordered it and was like, F this, I'm gonna pay $500, you got the money to blow, and go ahead and buy a vanity. Or if you're on the creative side like myself, you want to save a little bit of coins that you got and make your own, make sure you comment down at the bottom, either or. Also, make sure you like this video and you follow me on Instagram at Necole Jack. And let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm gonna take you to my vanity. You see the backdrop and you see that. Alright guys, so here is my vanity. It was made custom through myself, and I'm gonna take you through the steps of how you can make your own vanity. It's super easy, it's super affordable, and you can make having a beauty experience in your house easy, just like all of your favorite YouTubers, influencers, or celebrities. Before we even get started, let me tell you why I made my vanity. So I started getting into like a big makeup groove. I was purchasing all these products and the bathroom wasn't cutting it anymore. I didn't have space to actually do my makeup. I wanted to sit down, I wanted to take my time. I actually wanted a space too where I can do my hair, and also a space where if I wanted to knock out some work too, I can do that. So I did a little YouTube University research. I decided to make my own vanity and to purchase my own products. So when I was purchasing the products, everything I got, and my vanity right here, I got separately. So this desk, actually the desk is maybe the most easiest part. People think it's really hard, but it's super easy to figure out how to make the desk. So I just purchased a regular desk from Overstock or one of those home furniture places, and I just decided to purchase a desk from there, which proved to be way less expensive. I think I paid under $100 or maybe $100 for this desk. But I also decided to, when I was getting my desk, to get these cubbies. So I just wanted spaces where I could put my makeup at, and I could put my makeup at and I can easily find it. And I already had these like little cubicles here. So I just, it didn't come with the desk, but I just wanted to have a place accessible for like my flat irons that are right here. So I took these cubicles that you can just find like Five Below, honestly, and you can just put them as they insert there just to hold storage and to hold, you know, large amount of storage and to keep it organized. So I purchased my desk. It has 3 of these cubbies and shelvings on both sides, which is super convenient. And then next was finding my mirror. I think I got this mirror either from Target or from, I want to say maybe I got it from Marshall's, but I got it super affordable. It's a very heavy mirror. It's not, I will say, when you're going and getting the mirror or thinking about what mirror to get one that isn't cheaply made, to get one that, number one, shows the amount of body that you want. So with this mirror, it shows about to my waist if I need it, or if I'm sitting down, it's, as you see, just like the headshot that I need. It's perfect, you know, perfect amount of body for me to see what I'm doing. And I just wanted something that honestly would stand the test of time. I've had this for 5 years and it's, you know, looks perfectly brand new, and it's just an overall great mirror. So I didn't want to skimp out on that. This mirror to me was more important than like a full body mirror, because I wanted something that I would be able to see clearly when doing my makeup. And then the lighting. I'm gonna flip you around so you can see the light. Most people would think that these lightings would be the hardest thing. It was the most trickiest thing to do, but it probably was like the quickest thing to do, rather than like putting my desk together. As you see, the 3 shelves. So what I did was, you would go to Home Depot And then you would purchase, these are like bath lights, bath lighting. So if you were to go in a bathroom and you need the lighting for that will attach to the wall, this is exactly what this is. And I got 3 of them. They have them in numerous amounts of bulb lighting. You can get one that has like 6, but the 3 was perfectly fine for me. And then I got the lighting, which is the outside brightest light, which is super helpful when, you know, taking pictures. Like, I don't have to use a light ring, I can just use these lightings right here. A lot of my selfies are from these lightings, and it just makes putting on makeup very easier and clear too. As you see, it's super bright. And then what I did was I went ahead and got these plugs right here. So it actually plugs into the bottom right there, but it doesn't come with the lighting. You have to kind of attach it, which is easy. And you just simply do a switch on and off. So with these, they don't have a switch, so you can attach these switches too. So I have them on both sides. It was, I think I want to say it was maybe like $5 or $10 just to purchase these. The lighting was super affordable. I want to say this lighting, I haven't switched any bulbs since I purchased it, since I created this, which was 5 years ago. So my lighting has lasted me ever since then. And I want to say these were super affordable too. Maybe I'll tag them down below, the price point of it. But I want to say I didn't pay no more than, let's say $250, $300 for this super cute vanity. And then I went to Marshall's, and as you see, I have my lipsticks right here. You will notice that I cleared out a lot. I showed that in the last video, so here you'll see what I decided to keep. And I have my lipstick holders right here. I have, you know, just makeup wipes, and those are my my spray. I have my powder right here, and then I have all my foundations in here. Again, this holds all of my makeup tools, the hardware. So a lot of my flat irons, like all of my flat irons that I have, my curlers. I put some products in here that I know I'm going to use right away, the bed head, the gel. And then on this side, let's do quickly this side. This is just like a lot of my schoolwork that I keep on here. So if I'm working, not schoolwork, but just work, yeah, some school things, just projects that I'm doing, anything I'm working on, I mostly keep in here so I can easily access it when I'm about to do work. I will say I will probably get a new desk because of this. As you see, like the makeup, the flat iron kind of burnt this. I'm thinking about doing a new desk, but I'm honestly thinking also about getting like some wallpaper type material and kind of like overlaying this. If I do that, I will show you, but the rare picture of my son that you all will see. But if I do this, I will show you. But yeah, it's messed up over time with just makeup and with just different products I use. I could clean it off too, but honestly, it's just such with the compartments. I may just do the overlay because it's really hard to find a good, you know, desk as a makeup vanity that has these cubbies. But there was a point in time when I again purchased too much product. Even the vanity was too much, so then I purchased this storage container. Let me take you through this. Excuse me if you hear my chair. I probably will get another chair soon, but right now it's just not important to me to get another chair, and I will have to find a chair that I like that matches, you know, an aesthetic. But right now the chair does what I need to. But this is what I purchased. This is probably my favorite thing that I have. I actually purchased 2. I have another one, so when it gets too much again, I can bring the other one out and put it on this side right here. But I got this little caddy. They sell these everywhere, but I purchased them when they first like started popping up, and I got it from Tandye, and it was literally $10. I think Target now has it for maybe like $20, $30, but let me tell you, this is like the most amazing thing I have. So, you know, at first my brushes and everything was right here, but it was just in the way when I was doing things. So again, when you got too much, you need another storage. So I put my brushes right here. So I have all my brushes. It's way more, trust me, but I just need to wash them. And then I have my perfumes. I have like my little pins. This, like, y'all, this is so sentimental. This was my first makeup ever. If she says she loves Saint Laurent, show her her first beauty item. It needs to be Saint Laurent, okay? Clearly, you see, I've loved Saint Laurent from the beginning, but I also like Chanel too. So just some of my perfumes that I have right here. And then the first drawer, I'm gonna take you through my drawers. So the first drawer, you have like my eyeshadow palettes. I have like Morphe, Kim Kardashian, have an e.l.f. This is Pat McGrath. I have a lot of Morphe in here. I don't even think this is a lot of my stuff, but I cleaned out a lot of my makeups. Up here's some more. I have some eyeshadows here. I put my what is this, mascaras here too. So these are kind of like my eye stuff. And then I also put lashes here too. So these two are mostly like my eye products. And then I have, that's supposed to be in here. Then I have just like my contour kits right here. So these are a lot of my contours. So this is like a brush for the contour. Y'all, I should have cleaned this out. That was mascara, but my contours, my powders. I do have other translucent powders. I do have other powders, but this is what I have right here. And then right here I have usually my my face things. So these are like a lot of facial highlighters. These are scissors I keep in here, moisturizers. These for the liners. What else? These for my eyebrows. I keep my beauty blenders in here too. And my cleansing wipes, if I didn't say that. My primers in here too. So these are just a lot of my facial products. In here you will find these are my liners, more liners right here. You will find all of my concealers right here. Right here you'll find my bronzers mostly. Yeah, all of these are bronzers. And then my blushes too, I keep right here. What is this? Oh, this is a brow pencil. I need this. But yeah, you'll find a lot of, what is this? Liner. There you go. So you'll find a lot of my bronzers here, blushes here. Again, these are like primers and some little eyeshadows right here, little singlets of them. My favorite place is right here. These are all of my highlighters. As you see, a lot of Becca, MAC. This is my everyday one. This is what I wear all the time. Naked, Jennifer Lopez. I love highlighters that have that gold undertone, of course, because of my melanated skin. That's what looks best. Right here, I have all my facial mask right here, my eye mask. I keep them all right here when I do them. And then I have my brushes. Then I have like any of my scarves, hats, headbands right here. And then, hold on. And then lastly, I have my sunglasses right here. And then underneath of them, I have just like my travel cases. So here is my full vanity. All right, so again, if you want to make your vanity, it is super easy. The first thing you should do is look at what desk that you want to purchase, what fits your needs as far as storage. If you want to get those bins that I have, you can go to 5 and Below, get those super affordable, but just see what fits amount of storage you want. Also go to Marshall's and see what stands, like separate little stands, like lipsticks, foundation, anything that you have, see what can fit in those too. And then figure out your price point too. If you want to go on the more affordable side, I would definitely check Overstock or Amazon. But of course, if you want to go to a little bit more expensive and custom, check out IKEA. And secondly, go and figure out what mirror you want. See how full body you want it. If you just want it to hit your face, or if you want it to hit most of your body, see how it's going to work on your wall. And figure out what color that you want, if you want a border around it, or if you just want like a regular mirror. And then also figure out the lighting that you want. That is step number 3. The lighting you can just get from Home Depot. Is super easy and affordable. Connecting the pieces, I can do a separate video if you want to see that. But connecting the pieces to make your own custom lighting is super easy. Mount it to the wall, the mirror and the lighting. Just go ahead and use a nail and a drill and mount it to the wall. And then after that, get your get your light toppers. So I have a mirror right here, I have some candles, I have a picture, and then also if you want to get some extra little storage, I would go to Target right here and, you know, pair it together and get these separate little drawers just so you can put little hair and makeup accessories in them, and you have your perfect vanity. Again, this was super easy. The desk, I want to say, was like under 200, no, I said under like $100. It was way affordable. The mirror definitely had to be under $50. The lighting and the extensions that you need, again, under $30. That bin that I have that has all the makeup storage that I have, I got that for $10. But I want to say Target maybe has some for $20, $25, $30. And then like all the accessory storage, you can get those from Marshalls. I maybe got like 3 of them in total. That was like $40, $50 at that. But I want to say I didn't pay over $500, and I've gotten them over a period of time too. So necessarily don't have to get everything in advance, but maybe if you want to downscale and get something that isn't as lavish as the vanity, you can go ahead and start with the storage containers that I got from Target to hold all of your product, and you can put that in your bathroom too. And then from there, once you figure out what you may like, then you can start to see what desk you want to invest in, what lighting, how many lights that you want, what big mirror you want, and then you can custom make your vanity. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope this was very informational. You can see how to make your own vanity. If you want me to do step-by-step of how I did my lighting, please comment down below. I am definitely open to showing you how I did that. It was super easy. It took no more than 5 minutes, honestly, to do it. If you are interested in getting pointers about making your own vanity, or you need some help, hit up my DMs on Instagram, or also comment down below. I would love connecting with you guys and helping you out to make your own custom vanity and make your beauty experience amazing. But other than that, make sure you subscribe to this channel. You know the drill. Like and comment down below. Follow me on Instagram at Necole Jack, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.